everyone, this is Bosky from Be Versatile. In this video today, I am gonna tell you about spoken and written English runner course of 100 minutes that I'm going to introduce on my channel Be Versatile. So if you're interested, just keep watching. What you can see in front of you is what we are going to cover in our mini course of 100 minutes. In parts of a speech, we cover noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjectives, and so on. Now, I have a question for you here. How many parts of a speech do we have? Do we have 8 parts of a speech or do we have 9? Please write your answer in the comment box. Then we have infinitives. We have to use to with the first form of action words. Now, why do we use infinitives? That is the question. So we will cover that also. We have gerunds, sentences with ing. Sentences with ing are not always about continuous tenses. So I will let you know about that as well. Let's come to modals. Now, modals are very significant in English grammar. Here we use can, could, may, might, should, and so on. So we are going to cover this also in our mini course. These two things, if you can see, active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech, these two are quite crucial, and I have seen people who are good at English, they find it difficult to use active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech, and sometimes they get confused also what they have to use where. So these are the crucial things that we are going to cover up. So soon I'm going to upload my English lessons on these concepts, which can be useful not only for the people who are weak in English, but people who are good at English. They know English language, they are fluent in speaking, but still they make some grammatical errors when they write or when they speak at times. Throughout this mini course, you need to do one thing. Just remember these 3 S to enhance your English language skill. First is structures. Structures of sentences, that means formula of making sentences. You need to know. After knowing the formula of making sentences, it is situations where you are going to apply. In which particular situation you are going to use those structures. And the last one is keep speaking. If you won't practice speaking it, you can never get fluency you desire. That's all for today. I'll be back soon with this 100 minutes mini course of spoken and written English runner. You don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And also press the bell button so that whenever I upload any lesson, you will be informed. With this note, I take leave of you. Till then, keep rocking, rise and shine, and yes, be versatile.